Greetings, today I am unboxing the latest Becauseracecarbox. Alright, now this box is the February box, February 2020, and I am told that the theme of this box is winter decontamination and preparation for show season, which of course is coming up. So, ooh, hello. So on top we have a very cool G-Wagon photograph. And of course, as usual, on the back, we have the list of items and a little bit of blurb, including instructions as to how to use the items that are in the box. So if you can see on top of that, this is called Decontamination Edition. So this box is very much about winter decontamination because of course our roads are covered in dirt and salt and just everything. It covers the car so quickly, even you could wash the car and it would be disgusting after one journey. Winter decontamination is a big thing. So then we have a 15% off code for metallics detailing. So I'm not going to show you the code, you can buy the box if you want the code, but that is pretty cool, very nice. Alright, so we've got a bunch of packing peanuts, get that out of the way. Alright, so everything is nicely laid out. So what have we got first? We have metallics detailing eliminator, glue and tar remover. So check that out. Obviously a glue and tar remover, which is very handy because just normal washing does not remove tar spots and they're very hard to get off, and obviously you don't want to be like scraping your paintwork trying to get them off. So a glue and tar remover is a must in your arsenal of detailing products. So what does it say on the back? Metallics Detailing Eliminator is a vicious tar and glue remover designed to break down the contamination on both paint and plastic. Before or after your ordinary wash routine, Eliminator will remove stubborn and unwanted residue including fuel stains, wax, gum, grease, oils and adhesive residue. So more than just tar, really useful for a lot of things. Recently I did a number plate upgrade and there was a lot of sticky gluey stuff on the underside of the old number plates. So this would have been very handy in order to get rid of that. But yeah, very cool product, very useful indeed. Alright then, hello. Next up, from Infinity Wax, we have Incinerate Wheel Cleaner, acid-free wheel cleaner. Wheels take a lot of flack. They take a lot of the immediate dust, dirt, mud, salt from the road, and so they are one of the most dirty parts of the car. So it's very important to have a very good and specific product for cleaning the wheels. And this is a great example. So let's see, what is it? For use on automotive finished painted wheels only, avoid contact with rubber and plastic, do not use on vehicle interior, do not apply to chrome, bare aluminium, bare metal or painted wheels which have no lacquer applied. If in doubt, apply to a hidden area first. Yes, so this is a very specific product for attacking dirt on wheels, but definitely do be careful not to use it where it's not meant to be used. But yeah, really awesome, decent size, should do the whole car at least once, maybe twice. Happy days. Alright then, next up we have Iron Off Fallout Remover, ready to use, superior iron and brake dust remover, and this is from Power Maxed Valeting. Have a look at that. So, made in the UK, money back guarantee, safe for use on all exterior surfaces, a must-have decontamination product, advanced reactive formula. I totally agree, it is 100% a must-have product. An iron fallout remover is so useful. If you've ever used one before on your wheels, you will most likely have seen just how much reaction there is and just how much crap essentially is on your wheels that is reacted with and therefore becomes easy to remove by a product such as this Iron Off Fallout Remover. I would 100% use this all of the time, pretty much every time I wash, especially in winter and especially with the amount of stuff that is flying all over the car and all over the wheels in particular. But yeah, I really love Fallout Remover and I very much look forward to checking this one out. Alright, next up, also from Infinity Wax, we have Citrus Pre-Wash. So check that out. So citrus pre-wash is best applied to your vehicle's exterior bodywork via a pressure pump sprayer. Saturate dirt and road grime by spraying directly onto the vehicle and allowing around 1 minute to work before jet washing. So what is really cool about this sample is that it is actually super concentrated. If you read the back of the little card that you get, you'll see that you're meant to dilute this 5:1 in the next product in here, which is a mixer bottle. So these go together and you can get much more than this out of just this little thing, which is absolutely awesome. So full on spray bottle, you can get right around the car. This will go for miles, quite literally. So yeah, I mean, spray bottle quality, happy days, and concentrated pre-wash. I love doing decontamination stuff. You always want to avoid swirls. You want to get as much of that clung on dirt off as you can before you contact clean the car. I mean, I can't emphasize how important that is. So I mean, a pre-wash is a very, very, very important thing to be doing. And yeah, I'm really stoked that this is like super concentrated. And yeah, I can't wait to try it out. All right, next up we have some detailing gloves. Always very, very handy to have. Next up then we have the latest Becauseracecarbox air freshener. Let's just crack this open and see what it smells like. Ooh, I believe that to be cherry flavor, and I like it. Awesome sauce. All right, and finally, the Becauseracecarbox Deep Clean Clay Mitt. Check that out. So what this says is the Deep Clean Clay Mitt is a revolutionary, reusable clay mitt that uses an advanced rubber polymer technology that easily removes ingrained dirt, bugs, tar spots, and dulling pollutants from paintwork, windscreens, and even from headlights. Rinse clay mitt thoroughly after use and allow to air dry. So I think this is one of the latest innovations in car detailing, and I think it's absolutely awesome. Back in the day, you would have had an actual little clay bar and clay lube, and that you'd be spraying it on, you'd be rubbing it around, and then you would be folding it over, and then you would repeat the process all over the car. And that was fine, but this is much, much more convenient of a way to do it. And this is actually a super cool innovation of this type of product. So it's actually, as it's described, it's a mitt. So we put it on our hand. It means it's really easy to wipe along the car. And what we do with this, instead of using a traditional clay bar lube, we can just use a concentrated shampoo mix. So just dip and go. So it's much more convenient and easy to do than traditional clay barring. So it's really awesome to get into clay barring, and indeed for getting that really, as it says, deep clean, deep decontamination done with a product like this. And this is going to be awesome. And of course, being a mitt, we flip it over and it is this plush microfiber on the other side, which is super duper handy and super duper awesome. So a really cool product. It's got a really big surface area, so we can really get our entire hand on there and really spread along the car, and we can do that decontamination really, really effectively and really, really quickly with this. So this is a really great product, and I'm really stoked that it has been included in the February Becauseracecarbox. So there we go, that is the latest Becauseracecarbox unbox. A really great set of products specifically for doing that winter decontamination. It's just a really great set. It's really awesome that Becauseracecarbox have done this specific set of products that go together to do a really important job that is needed at this time of year. I really love it, and I hope you do too. If you want to get yourself one of these, you can get a subscription or you can get a one-off box. And if you do, make sure to input code ADAM and you will get 10% off. So that's awesome. This is awesome. This box is awesome. And you have been awesome for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.